Yeah, they're good.
And as we're eating our omelets,
Oh, what
Kellen
does
Lutz
this
walks
music
in.
mean?
Kellen Lutz walks in and says, I want an omelet too.
I want 2 of them, please.
You know, you've been in here and your whole entourage, but it's not really an entourage because you guys seem very down to earth, and mostly entourages are mean. So
Yes.
I give you credit.
Thank you.
And you're like, whatever. Kellen Lutz is here because he's going to be at Nordstrom's Fashion Valley Mall today promoting a new line, right?
Yeah, Abbott and Maine, we're launching the women's line today, this afternoon. So,
Later on today, yeah.
I've been traveling too much.
And
But,
you're here with the big man, Danny Gez,
Yeah,
right?
Danny Gez.
Creator.
Partner, co-author.
You make me feel like uncomfortable because you're like, whenever there's like fashion designers and celebrities,
Yeah.
I feel like we should like be up to date, but we're not doing good in the fashion world,
you guys
right?
got style.
No, you definitely
Hey, we get here at 4 o'clock, okay? Don't judge too hard.
Trying our best. Breaking Down Part 1, when it came out, it was so funny. All the girls in San Diego were going crazy. I hosted this event over at Mission Valley. It's the mall here.
Nice.
And there's just so lines. And I saw t-shirts of Kellen Lutz all over everybody. They're all screaming and yelling for you.
The shirt said Kellen Lutz, or?
It just has pictures of you.
Oh.
And, you know.
Well, now they should have Abbott and Maine.
Perfect. Handled.
What's the craziest thing a fan has maybe gave to you or
A
done to
baby.
you?
She's given her
A
baby.
real baby?
And she's like, oh, you know, hold my baby. Thinking like she wanted to take a picture.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Disappeared. Left
No
us.
way.
So Nikki Reed and I were just like, what are we supposed to do with the baby?
So what did you guys do?
Oh, we had to call an AD, and because the fans like find us on set, so we had
Yeah.
to call an AD to try and find the parent.
I gave the baby. Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's horrible. Who would do
Yeah,
that?
no giving away babies at Nordstrom's later on today.
Tell us about the event. Can people go out there today?
Yeah, please come out. I'd love to hang out. I love San Diego, and the people here every time we come down, they're just so fun to hang out with, and I have a lot of friends down here. But the event is, I'm going to be there at 3, just to get there early to hang out, because I don't know if there's a max there. But yeah, the event's from 4 to 5, 5:30, we'll probably go till 6. And yeah, just come hang out, check out the line. I'm really proud of it. We worked really hard on it.
Yeah, it's on the 2nd floor. That's where you guys are going to be at Nordstrom Fashion Valley. It's going to be chaos there.
Yeah.
Watch out for the gold diggers, because I love Fashion Valley Mall, but there's a lot of, you know.
Well, it's Christmas time, so go ahead and spend it.
Are you guys going to be able to enjoy San Diego at all while you're here? Maybe go out
The
tonight?
drive down was, I love driving down here, so I'm already enjoying it, and the weather's
Nice.
great. Yeah, definitely going out tonight.
Yeah.
Be on the lookout.
Uh-oh. Be careful though, okay? Okay,
Vampires
I
are
love
out
San
there.
Diego, and there's lots of great women here, but lately we've been in the news for bad stuff, okay?
For what?
Like, for hooking up with celebrities
You
and
ever heard of the guy
Ashton
Ashton
Kutcher's.
Oh.
No, but it's married. But you're not married, right? So it doesn't matter.
Should we tell him, Danny?
You
We're
guys together?
actually together.
Aw, that's so
My
cute.
bad.
You have a fashion line together.
Forever.
Aw.
Real quick, I have 2 questions online. On Facebook, Rod says, what is your favorite cheat food since you're so into health?
Cheap food?
Mhm.
Candy.
What kind?
You know what? I'm a big chocolate junkie now. I love Cadbury and Tim Tams.
Cool.
Tim
Okay.
Tam Slam. Get some nice coffee or some chocolate milk and dip that.
And on Twitter, at Evangelia asked, you got a new movie coming out soon.
Do I have a new movie coming out soon?
Or are you gonna?
I just finished an amazing project in Indonesia. I got to see the world there. It's called Java Heat, and Mickey Rourke's in it, so it was really great to work with him again. And just a lot of action, a lot of explosions.
Dope. Well, later on today at Nordstrom's, if you have any questions, you can ask him. 3 o'clock, you'll be there?
Yeah.
People will meet him at 4. He'll
Yeah.
probably just walk around.
All right,
Yeah,
cool.
get there early though.
Get there early, come hang out.
Yeah, you guys seem really cool and down to earth. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
stopping by the channel.
Thank
you so much.
Your omelets are on the way from Eastbound Bar and Grill, I promise. $25 to spend there coming next.
Yes.